This is the portfolio rubric guidance for pre-K standard CCA4. Students begin to name numerals 0 through 10. When students are at levels 0 through 5, the teacher is assessing the student's ability to name all numerals 0 through 10 with the support of having the numerals in order. The teacher will present the student with the number cards numbered 0 to 10 in order in a line on the table. The teacher should point to each number out of order as they ask the student, what is this number? So the numbers will be presented to the students in order, but as the teacher points to the numbers, they will not point to them in order. They will point to the numbers out of order and ask, what is this number? When students are at levels 6 and 7, the teacher is assessing the student's ability to name all numerals 0 through 10 without the support of having the numerals in order. The teacher will present the students with the number cards numbered 0 to 10. But the numbers this time are scattered around the table and out of order. The teacher should point to each number out of number order as they ask the student, what is this number? The required method of evidence collection is a video recording. The video recording must show all of the numerals the teacher points to for the students to name. This is a verbal assessment at all levels 0 through 7. So again, the video recording should show the numerals that the teacher points to, and we should be able to clearly hear the student identify what numeral it is. After you have completed the assessments, it is time to score the student work. A rubric is provided for you to score. If the student is unable to identify any of the number cards when the number cards are in order, then the student work receives a level 0. If the student is able to identify at least one of the numbers when the cards are in order, then the student work receives a level 1. If the student is able to identify 3 of the numbers when the cards are in order, the student receives a level 2 for their work. And if the student is able to identify at least 5 of the numbers by name when the cards are in order, then the student work receives a level 3. If the student is able to accurately identify at least 8 of the numbers by name when the cards are in order, then the student work receives a level 4. If the student is able to accurately identify all of the numbers by name when the cards are in order, then the student work receives a level 5. So again, levels 0 through 5, students need the support of the numbers being in order in a line on the table. For levels 6, the student is able to accurately identify at least 8 of the numbers by name, but the cards are scattered and out of order. The student work receives a level 7 if the student is able to identify all of the numbers when the number cards are scattered on the table out of order. So levels 6 and 7 have the number cards scattered over the table, and the student is able to identify those numbers. If the student is able to be successful at levels 6 and 7, then the teacher does not need to upload evidence of being successful at levels 0 through 5.